Okay, we already did that, but sorry I did it ahead of you. So we're gonna do this and that and that. Then we're gonna add a little triangle right there. Then we're gonna do that. Then we're gonna add a little eye. Then add a little highlight and color that in black. Then we're gonna add the wing, which goes right here, then that. Actually, no. Oops, sorry, folks. We didn't mean to do that. So just erase it if you have a marker. If you have a pencil, but if you don't have a pencil, you're in bad luck. Then we're gonna do this. Then we're gonna do this. Oh, sorry guys. Then we're gonna do this, that. Then we're gonna add a little line, like boom, 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 boom. And this, that. Then we're gonna do this and that. Then we're gonna do this. Then we're gonna do this. Then we're gonna do this. Add 2 lines like that. Good. Then we're gonna do this. Then we're gonna add a little that. Then we're gonna do this. Then we're gonna add the little talons. We're gonna add lines like this. Then we're gonna add the nest. First we do this. Then we're gonna draw the eggs. First we're gonna draw an oval like this, that, and add dots. Then this one is hatching, so we're gonna do this, that. Then we're gonna add cracks. Then add dots. Then we're gonna add more dots, another egg. Then another, and add dots to that one too. Then this. Then we're gonna draw the feathers on that one. Then we're gonna do this. We're adding little lines. Then we're gonna add a little thing like this, that. Then we're gonna add lines to this to show that it's a nest. So first things first, we're gonna do this, that. Then we're gonna add, that's all we had to do for this part. So goodbye. We are gonna do part 3, and these are the colors you're gonna need. Okay, so first, get your black. Then we're gonna color this in black. And also this. Okay, so follow my steps. It's okay if you mess up. Okay, now we're gonna close the lid and get this color. Then we're gonna color in this top. Okay, good. Next, we're gonna get yellow and color in this and this. Oh yeah, whoops. Sorry guys. Sorry folks. Alright, that's pretty much the end for this one, so bye. Alright, so we're gonna color in the legs this color too, with the white parts, doing this. Okay, then we're gonna color in the eggs. Alright, so get your gray, then color in the eggs. Some are gonna be dark eggs, and some are gonna be okay. And we are also gonna color this little shape that we missed. Then we're gonna color in the nest, which we're gonna get your dark brown. Then we're gonna do this. Okay, bye, and I'll see you later. Goodbye, and write your name on the bottom, and first you have to write bye. Then you have 3 dots, then you write corner. I mean your name right here. Then add a little line. Okay, bye. I'll see you later, and this time we are gonna speed it up.